How to become a best speaker? Becoming a good speaker takes a practice, dedication, and continuous improvement. Here are some tips to help you enhance your speaking skill. Define your purpose. Determine if you will want to become a better speaker. Clarify your goals, whether it's to inform, persuade, inspire, or entertainment. Having a clear purpose will guide your speech. Know your audience, understand who you will be speaking to, their interest, and their level of the knowledge on the topic. Tailor your speech to their needs and expectations to engage them effectively. Prepare and organize your speech, research your topic thoroughly, and gather relevant information. Organize your idea logically, creating and interpreting body language. Use clear conception and help your audience follow your thoughts. Practice. Rehearse your speech multiple times. Practice in front of mirror or record yourself to analyze your body language, facial expression, and voice tone. Work on your pacing, articulation, and overall. Use effective body language. Pay attention to your postures, gestures, and facial expression while speaking. Maintain eye contact while your audience to establish a connection. Use the appropriate hand gesture to emphasize key points. Engage the audience. Capture your audience's attention from the beginning. Start with a compliant story, thoughts-provoking questions, or starting facts. Incorporate interactive elements such as ask a question conduct, using a proper to keep your audience engaged throughout the speech. Master your voice, speaking clearly. Vary your tones, volumes, and speeds to add emphasis and maintain audience interest. Practice controlling your breath to avoid rushing or sounding breath. Visual aids incorporate add like a slides, video, or purpose. Enhance your, keep them simple, relevant, and visual appealing. Use visual to support your message, not to replace it. Connect with the emotion, craft your speech to evoke emotion in your audience. Use storytelling technique, personal occurrence, or vivid language. An emotion connection makes your message memorable. Seek feedback, request feedback from the trusted individual or join public. Speaking public, constructive feedback will help you identify area for the improvement and build your confidence. Embrace the opportunity to speak. Look for the opportunity to practice your speaking skill. Volunteer for the presentation, workshop, or public speaking. The more you speak, the more comfortable and confident you will become. Remember, becoming a good speaker is a continuous journey. It takes time and effort to refine your skills. Stay open to learning, be authentic, and keep challenging yourself to improve. Thank you.